What's this? Come on. Really freak. That was a cracking one right there. Now that sound you can hear is just the sound of the air being pushed out of those jaws. It's the exact same as if you clap. You know, it doesn't hurt the animal at all. The air is just being forced out of those jaws so hard and so quick. I'm not doing how you do. No, that's right. But yeah, you wouldn't want to get grabbed by that, right? And let's say I stuffed up and he did grab a hold of me, so I'm going to actually let him grab this now, guys. I'm going to give him the bait rope. Here you go, dude. It's all yours. You can have it now. Come on. Once they've got you, they want to get you in the water. Alright, so hopefully he's going to demonstrate some head shakes and some death rolls here for you in a second, guys. That's a big head shake. So you imagine you get grabbed by a crocodile and you just think you're going to hold on to a tree. You know, you've got a tree, the crocodile's going to do whatever it can to get you in the water. Alright, so it's going to do some head shakes. Maybe give it a couple of rolls if we're lucky. What's the death roll do? Come on. There we go. So you wouldn't want to get grabbed by something like that, guys. It would not be a fun time. Get back, dude. Bad dog, drop it. Absolutely so quick. Let's get some sort of idea what you're in for there, guys. So, you guys have to check it out. So you've got to imagine, guys, crocodile grabs you, it wants to get you in the water, and that's some of the techniques it's going to use to do that. It's going to be very, very violent. And again, we do these shows to really show you what crocodiles can do. Like, I think some people think if a crocodile grabs me, I'll hold onto a tree and wait for it to let me go. That thing's going to just roll your leg off, and then, you know, and then take whatever part of it you can. So they're not fast. They want to get you in the water. There's not much you can do to make a crocodile stop that, you know what I mean? So, it's a bit of food right there, dude. Don't look at me. That's a leaf. An apex predator. Yeah, there's a good photo opportunity here, guys. Goes and gets this food. You got it, bud? There you go. You gonna swallow it? So they swallow their food above the surface of the water like that. Right? Now the reason for that is because at the back of their throat they've got what's called a palatal valve, and this closes off when they're underwater. It stops water getting in their stomach and lungs. So when they get a food item, they lift their head above the water, they open up that valve and they juggle the food back.